If you want a squat that's not poo, I'm going to show you the way and also give you 3 exercises that you can do to help if you're struggling. So first is bar position. Not on the neck, blooming hurts when it's placed on the neck. Good placement is basically on the traps, which is the meaty part of the upper back. So next is setup. Unrack and walk back a few paces, then get your toes pointed slightly out at a width that feels comfortable to you. Lower down while pushing your knees out to the side to open up your hips and allow you to keep your chest up as you do the movement. Go as far as feels comfortable for you and then keeping the chest up, drive up through your heels and push back up to the start position. Doing this feels awkward and you look more like Bambi on ice and resembling what I just did, then you could paper over the cracks by using heel lifts or standing on plates. And this is actually not cheating, and I prefer this for people who've got a really awkward or terrible squat position to start with, but it's not a long-standing solution, and there are 3 stretches and exercises that might help to get you in a better position for the squat. First thing we need to think of is ankle mobility, and improvement often makes squatting a lot easier to do. We do this with a good old knee to wall stretch where you drive the knee over the toes to the wall and stretch out that ankle. Secondly is hip mobility. It's an absolute must when you squat, so doing a squat stretch will often help with this, and it will help the hip improve the bottom position. Push the knee forwards and then out to the side for this one. And lastly, the bodyweight squat hold is great. After doing the first 2 stretches, go down into a squat, jam your elbows in between your knees, keep your toes pointing forwards for this one, and push your elbows into your knees and stretch those knees outwards to the side, which gets those hips externally rotated and keep that chest up. Hands together, praying to the squat god is optional. If even after this you're still struggling, then my advice, just do bench. I never like legs anyway.